Get an ultra-compact cutting solution for plywood, drywall, and more. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3 3/8-inch circular saw kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient Makita-built motor is engineered for faster cutting. The 3 3/8-inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, with a tilting base for accurate bevel cuts. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
With quality tools, Woodpecker 6-inch carpenter square is just such a tool. Woodpecker 6-inch carpenter square is a perfectly machined combination 90 and 45 degree miter square, which features engraved inch-scale markings on the vertical leg and handles for a physical reference to the edge of the workpiece, to ensure that perfect 45 and 90 degree angle every time. Quality begins with the blade being machined from high-grade cast and ground aluminum tooling plate. By milling the blade from the single plate, both angles are held to a much higher degree of precision than what's possible from stamped or molded plastic tools. The solid aluminum handles are fastened to the body with high-strength socket screws. Separating the handles from the blade ensures that they can be recalibrated to the blade if knocked out of position. So if you're looking to up your speed and accuracy in the layout of your woodworking projects, then consider adding Woodpecker 6-inch carpenter square to your woodworking toolbox. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the 6-inch carpenter square is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.
Rigid introduces true corded performance in the new best-in-class 18-volt Gen 5X 7 1/4-inch circular saw. Built to higher tolerances and optimized for demanding contractor use. The rigid Gen 5X open-frame permanent magnet motor supplies enough power to run a full-size blade and rip plywood a new one. The heat-treated aluminum base maximizes durability, while the 0 to 56 degree bevel detent system provides stops at common angles. The dust blower clears debris from the front of the blade, while LED lights help you see and maintain precision all the way through the end of the cut. Keep all this power in hand with Hex Grip Microtexture and keep it for life when you register for the Lifetime Service Agreement. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. Rigid, powerful, durable, professional. Exclusively at the Home Depot.
Don't let the size fool you. The Pony 3700 LD light-duty bar clamp is a workhorse for its size and design. Used by do-it-yourselfers, hobbyists, woodworkers, metalworkers, and professional tradespeople of all types. The design allows the sliding head to hold securely at any point along the bar to guarantee no slipping. The sliding head is threaded to accommodate the easy grip handle, screw, and swivel pad. All adjustments are made with the movable sliding head, making this style fast and easy to open and close and perfect for use in confined spaces. Protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to ensure your work is protected. The clamps rest parallel to your work surface for easy work placement and adjustment. The light-duty bar clamp has a 2-inch reach, 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch opening capacity, and a 300-pound test load limit. Pony also offered these clamps in medium and heavy-duty styles with opening capacities from 6 inches to 36 inches and test load limits from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds.
Here are a couple of quick tips for easy, accurate cutting with your square cut. First, make sure that you install the rubber feet that come with the square cut. They help it grip the board as you work. Next, set up the guide arm by making a test cut in a piece of scrap stock. Make sure that the saw's blade won't hit the guide arm on this first cut. Then hold the square cut against your board and cut by guiding the saw along the edge of the square cut. Now, without moving the square cut, loosen the bolt that holds the guide arm and slide it over until it's flush with the end you just cut. Then just tighten the bolt back down. With the guide arm positioned, every cut with the square cut's easy. Just align the guide arm with your cut line, hold the square cut in place, and make your cut.
Hey, this is Tyler here with an amazing new product from FastCap. This is the Spade Flush Mount Drill Bit System. Now what this is it's a depth adjuster for your spade bits, or your Forstner bits, or your drill bits, or any other kind of bit that you want to put in here. It's super simple to use. All you gotta do is take your bit, put it in, set it to about the right height you want. There's a micro adjust later, so don't worry about getting it perfect. And then start tightening one of the 3 set screws to center the bit. Now we put 3 in here so you could center any bit within the hole and use it for just about any bit that fits. Now it's a 3/8 hole, so any bits that you have with a shank diameter of less than 3/8 of an inch are going to work for this. Once you tighten all 3 set screws and get your bit centered, now you can loosen this knob right here and spin the collar for a micro adjust. There's very fine threads in here that allow you to move the collar up very precisely and get exactly the depth that you want. So then you just lock that down, chuck it up into your drill, and you're ready to go. Now you want to hold on to the top of the collar up here. That way that this collar doesn't spin and start marring or scratching up your surface. So hold on up high. You don't want to get your fingers in these chip clearing holes. We made these really big so that the chips fly out and don't get bound up and caught up in the collar. So hold it up here, away from the chip clearing holes, and start your repeatable drilling. And once you get down to the collar, it's going to stop that bit from drilling. Now that's your depth adjust. Another cool thing is since it's so wide, it keeps your holes perpendicular to the surface every time. Now I got 3 perfect holes that are the exact same depth, and I can do this across the job all day long. No worries about having different depths. You're going to love this product, the new Spade Flush Mount Drill Bit System from FastCap.
Go to This is the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work and crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this Bosch angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.